Okay, so the first thing I did was I had to ground off this little teeny 1/8" ring here so that the small collar fits on here. As you can see, we already got one off, so we're pretty stoked about that. So this collar fits on here now. So all we have to do is put this through here, put this collar on here, put this on here, adjust this guy, get everything centered, tighten that up. Start torquing on that bushing. And there ends up being a ton of pressure on this thing as you crank on it.
Looks like it's just going through the bushing.
So we're probably going to have to put that bot guy on there for now. You may have to step on that end of that clamp right there.
There it goes.
Oh yeah.
Should just pull through now. Should be good.
No, let's go ahead and give it a couple more low cranks with this. Oh. Hi, TJ.
Just barely still in there.
That's good. I know that you're feeling better, but you need to stay in bed because That's why you came home from school early, TJ. That's what happens when we too sick to be at school.
There goes.
Bam!
Slide it.
Voila! Now to put the new bushings in, which are
Yeah.
right here. We do the same thing in reverse. Press the new bushings in. Put the new ball joint on. I don't know where it is. Oh, it's right here. Hi. Press the new bushings in with the same tool. Bolt the ball joints down. And it's a whole new control arm. Sweet.